Hey everybody, welcome to another sports card break with Matt. Today we have some more 2021 Donruss baseball, guys. This is another hanger box. There's 50 cards per box, and you can look for the hanger box exclusives where you can find 6 hollow oranges and 2 diamond parallels per box, guys. So, been having some decent luck with this product here lately. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and hold that up there for you guys that like to read the back of the boxes. You can just pause that screen and read away, guys. So here we go. Got this Clayton Kershaw on the front right here. A lot of people have been finding some decent stuff, and it's a iffy subject when you're talking about the Donruss baseball cards, guys, because no, they're not licensed. They're printed out by Panini, and they do not have MLB licenses, so that's why you'll see, like, on the hat, it's kind of been airbrushed off. They can put their names and numbers, but not the actual logos, guys. So here we go. Going to open up this little hanger box and see if we got anything cool inside, guys. Like, it would be awesome to find something autographed for once out of here, because I've opened a couple of these so far, and all I've really gotten was a bunch of base cards. And once got that little Mike Trout Unleashed one. That's a really cool card, guys. So here we go. I can already see my orange parallels in the middle right there, but it would be cool to find some autographed stuff, guys. And I've seen people pull stuff, so it's not impossible. And I can already see that there's one of those little star cards in here, guys. It's pretty cool. So here we go. Start us off. There is the pack. It has been unopened. Let's get to it, guys. So let me know down in the comments, how's your trading going right now? Is anybody else out there having a hard time finding cards because of Target's new little rule? Because I never find cards at Walmart. Most cards you're going to see on my channel either came from my local card shop or Target. So here we go, guys. Start us off. We got Justin Turner. We got Brad Hand. Kyle Lewis. We got some upside down ones. Cole Calhoun. Trevor Story. Josh Hader. Carlos Carrasco, Eloy Jimenez, got Jose Abreu, Marcel Ozuna, Matt Olson, Kevin Biggio, we got Adam Wainwright, Mike Clevenger, we got a Jeff Bagwell insert card, guys. That's pretty cool. I like that design right there. We got David Fletcher, Miguel Tejeda, Trevor Bauer. We got a Nolan Ryan, Shane Bieber, Paul Konerko. That's a pretty cool card right there. Chris Paddock. We got Babe Ruth. We got Dinelson Lamont. We got a Troy Glaus. Christian Yelich. Got a George Brett throwback. That looks pretty cool, just like that Babe Ruth. That was an awesome card. Here we go, guys. We got a Stars parallel of Jose Abreu. That's pretty cool right there. I like that a lot. Really cool little card. Stick that up to the side. Here comes our parallels that you get. You get your little orange parallels. We got Brian Reynolds. Nice looking card. Got Josh Bell. I really like these orange parallels. They're really nice. We got a Bo Jackson. Renato Nunez. We got a Diamond King of Pete Alonso, guys. That's really nice. That's pretty cool. We got a Devi Garcia rookie card hollow, guys. That's really nice right there for a rookie card, little parallel. I'll stick my rookies to the side. Who we got right here? We got a Dominators of Randy Arozarena. Wow, guys. That's a pretty nice card right there. Let me go ahead and show you guys that out there. The Dominators. Beautiful card, guys. Like, I swear, like, Donruss cards, if they ever got the license, they would definitely be a top contender with Topps, right? Here we go, guys. Got an Unleashed card of Nolan Arenado. Check out these Unleashed. I pulled a Mike Trout one not too long ago. I thought it was really cool. Basically the same design. Got little lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, type of deal with the snake also. So, very cool cards to get those Unleashed ones right there. So, I'm going to stick that up there with my favorite so far that we've got. And I really like this Randy Arozarena, so I'm going to stick that right over there too. Let's keep going, guys. See what else we can get. Looks like we got another Christian Yelich card. We got a 534 slugging card right there. It looks like Sammy Sosa. Yeah, it is Sammy Sosa. Got Ketel Marte. We got Nick Mandergraw rated rookie card. That's pretty cool. I like to save all my rookies to the side, top load, and sleeve them up. Starlin Marte. We got Aaron Judge Diamond Kings card. We got Alec Bohm rated rookie card, guys. That's nice right there. Check that out. And like I said, Topps is the only ones that's really got the MLB licenses on the cards right now, guys. But still, these are pretty nice and collectible. Got Gigante. Ronald Acuna Jr. Diamond Kings card, guys. That's an awesome little card right there. I like that a lot. Here we go. We got Brady Singer rookie card. Come on, give us some more rookies. Got a Nolan Arenado. We got 1406 career steals right there, guys. That's pretty cool. Who is that? That is Ricky Henderson. I was thinking that was Ricky Henderson. Just the uniform kind of threw me off. I'm so used to seeing Ricky in Oakland Athletics uniforms. So, yeah, that kind of just threw me off a little bit. We got Joey Gallo, Diamond King. And our last one is going to be Joe Adele rookie card, guys. So, that's pretty cool right there. So, a quick little run through of what we got. Like, my favorite so far definitely is always going to be anybody's rookie card, guys. Because you never know. Brady Singer. Nick Mandergraw. Got DV Garcia's orange hollow card. That's really cool. Then we just pulled that right there. The Joe Adele rated rookie. We got a Nolan Arenado Unleashed card. I think those Unleashed cards are awesome looking, guys. Those are pretty cool. Really eye-catchy, you know. That would look great on any collector's album, wall, whatever, however you guys collect. We got Alec Bohm's rookie card. That's real nice to get. We got Randy Arozarena Dominators card. And I mean, that's just a beautiful card. Look at that, guys. So, like, almost like flawless. So, I mean, Panini knows how to print some cards now. We got this Jose Abreu right here, this little parallel to stars. So, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, guys, if you support the channel. And leave a comment. Tell me what was your favorite card of the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace.